Welcome to day 16 of the Meditation Challenge. Today we are going to touch upon a very basic yet one of the most essential aspect of our physical and mental well-being. That's our sleep. Our modern lifestyle and erratic working habits have put our sleep cycles out of balance. We work when we are supposed to sleep and we sleep when we are supposed to work. Totally out of sync with the circadian rhythms of nature. There is a simple secret to a peaceful sleep. Include meditation in your daily life and see how things turn around. Since you've been meditating with us for more than 2 weeks, so many of you have reported back, commented that you've been able to smile more and you're working more efficiently and you're sleeping better. Art of Living has a specialized program for anxiety and sleep disorders. But meanwhile, Gurudev in today's meditation will guide us how to enhance the quality of our sleep. अच्छी और सम्यक नींद हमारे शारीरिक और मानसिक कल्याण का एक आधारभूत पहलू है। भाग दौड़ की हमारे इस आधुनिक जीवन शैली में सबसे पहले नींद खराब हो जाती है। एक अच्छी और गहरी नींद के लिए एक सरल सा उपाय है। दैनिक जीवन में आप ध्यान को सम्मिलित कीजिए और देखिए चीज़ें कैसे बदल जाती है। आप लोग 2 हफ्ते से अधिक रोज़ हमारे साथ ध्यान कर रहे हैं और कई लोगों ने ये रिपोर्ट किया है कि आप मुस्कुरा रहे हैं ज़्यादा, काम सरलता से हो रहा है और नींद अच्छी लग रही है। आज के ध्यान में गुरुदेव अच्छी नींद के लिए हमारा मार्गदर्शन करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
We'll start with Bhramari Pranayam. Bhramar means bee, making sound like bee and closing our eyes, closing your ears and your nostril also. I'll show you. And then with this, what we do, we take a deep breath in and breathe out, making a humming sound. Like this, 5 such breath, and then we sit quiet, and then I will lead you further. Bhramari Pranayam, this pranayam is very good to have a good sleep, especially for people having problem with sleep, insomnia. This is very good. So let me first show you, because don't do it, otherwise you will not. Yeah, keep our little finger below our lips and the ring finger above our lip, middle finger on our nose, index finger on the eyes, near the eyes, and then thumb into the ears. So we plug our ears and keep like this, breathe in and then do the humming sound. After completing the Bhramari, you may sit with your spine erect, shoulders relaxed, your palm open to the ceiling on your lap. आंखें बंद रखें। भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के बाद दोनों हथेली को अपने घुटने पर रखें। हथेली आकाश की ओर खुला रहे। रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रहे। एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए। Take a deep breath in and relax. Now remember, you have had shower. How you stand underneath the shower and the water just pours on your head from 1 feet, 2 feet above your head. Now you feel some rays, some cosmic rays are showering on you from about 2 feet above your head. The shower is coming, unseen shower of rays or light is coming on your body, and you are bathing in the shower of grace, of light, cosmic energy. सिर के ऊपर 1 फुट या 2 फुट की दूरी से जैसे जल गिरता है, झरने में आप नहाए हैं, शवर के नीचे नहाते हैं, ऐसे पूरे शरीर को अदृश्य तरंग छू रही हो, इस भाव से बैठ जाए। जस्ट फील showers coming on you and you are simply welcoming it and enjoying it. इसको स्वागत कर रहे हैं, स्वीकार कर रहे हैं। कंधों को थोड़ा सा हिलाइए, दाहिने कंधे ऊपर करें, फिर बाएं कंधे ऊपर करें, दाहिने कंधे ऊपर करें और बाएं कंधे। Move your right shoulder up and then left shoulder up. One by one, keep moving your shoulders up and down. Eyes closed, rest of the body still, just your shoulders are moving up and down, up and down. Rest of the body still. Rhythmically keep moving your shoulders in perfect rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now let go. अब बंद कर दीजिए, कंधों को हिलाना बंद कर दीजिए, आंखें बंद रखें। Feel the showers going all the way to the floor and take your mind with this energy all the way to the floor. जैसे जल पृथ्वी तक पहुंच जाते हैं, नीचे तक आते हैं, ऐसे ही इन तरंगों के साथ अपने मन को भी जमीन तक आप लेके जाएं। शरीर वही है, वैसा ही है, मगर मन शुद्ध होता जा रहा है। The body is still and the energy is flowing from the head to the feet. Just feel the air all around you and the vibration, unseen vibration. ये सारा संसार तरंग से भरा हुआ है और ये अद्भुत तरंग हमारे ऊपर गिर रही है। इस वक्त इस भाव से हम बैठे हैं, तरंगों को अनुभव करें। शरीर के एक एक कण से तरंग उठ रही है, निरंतर उठ रही। ये विज्ञान हमको सिखाता है। Our body is vibrating, our body is emitting vibrations. We are radiating every second. This is what science tells us. We can feel it also right away. Just relax, you will feel it. जो विज्ञान कहता है उसको हम अनुभव भी कर सकते हैं। जरा शांत हो जाए, सूक्ष्म हो जाए, हम मानसिक तौर पे सूक्ष्म हो जाए। The subtler our mind becomes, we are open to the higher truth. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. एक गहरी सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं। Let us move into our feelings. Between the heart and the navel, our feelings are more prominent and visible. हमारी अनुभव, हमारी संवेदनाएं हृदय और नाभि के बीच में बहुत प्रमुख रूप से नजर आते हैं। अब अंतर यात्रा करते हैं। लेट अस मूव इनवर्ड। कभी पत्थर जैसे हमको अंदर लगता है, कभी खिला हुआ फूल जैसे, कभी बहती हुई पानी जैसे। Sometimes we feel like a stone inside, other times like a flower, yet other time like water, flowing water. दुख पत्थर सा लगता है, सुख खिली हुई फूल जैसे लगते हैं, और प्रेम में हो तो पानी की झरना जैसे बहने लग जाते। Whenever you feel negative, sad, you feel a stone inside, in the stone-like heaviness. And when you're happy, you feel like a flower inside. And when you are in love, you feel like the water flowing. You feel like the flowing water. जो भी है रहने दें उसको। Whatever is there right this moment, let it be. Another deep breath in and let go. These feelings keep changing. ये सब अनुभव बदलते रहते हैं. You are bigger than these feelings. You are the vibration in your whole body. आप इन सभी अनुभवों से भी बड़े हो. शरीर के कण कण में जो तरंग है वही आप हो. विश्राम करें इस वक्त. न कुछ बदलना है, न ही कुछ जानना है. This moment, let it be whatever is. Nothing to change, nothing to know, nothing to do, and nothing to know either. Let it be. You are bigger than all these feelings. You are bigger than your feeling, your vibration, which is all over. यह पूरा वातावरण तरंगों से, सूक्ष्म किरणों से भरा हुआ है. सच्चिदानंद सत्ता से भरा हुआ है. अपने छोटे कुएं, भावनाओं के कुएं से उठकर अनंत की ओर चल पड़ते. अनंत को स्वीकार करें. Let's move away from this small pond of feeling to the infinite source of energy that's all around us. Let us be open to the infinite energy. Let go of all your effort. Nothing to do now and nothing to know either. You already know you are bigger than these emotions. You are just the vibration which are in the entire universe. The infinity has taken over your body and mind, and it is vibrating in every cell of you. अनंत का स्पंदन शरीर के कण कण में हो रहा है. केवल विश्राम करें. हम मिट गए हैं, सिर्फ ब्रह्म ही ब्रह्म. अनंत ही अनंत है। The eyes dissolving in the easiness, in the infinity. The notion of I dissolving in the infinity. Let go and relax. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। May all the worlds be happy. Peace, peace, and peace. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. You may move your shoulders or your palms, your fingers. You may move your head if you feel like. Keep your eyes closed and move. Have the gentle movement. Like you would do in a swimming pool or a bathtub. Just do the gentle movements. You are in an ocean of energy. आंखें बंद रखिए, शरीर को हल्के से हिलाना शुरू करें। गर्दन को हिलाइए, हाथ को हिलाइए, जैसे आप नदी में पानी के बीच में हो, पानी को अनुभव कर रहे हो। ऐसे एक शक्ति के नदी में, समुंदर में आप हो, तो उसका अनुभव करते हुए धीरे से शरीर को हिलाते जाएं। पाँव, हाथ और आगे पीछे हिलना हो, डुलना हो, गर्दन को हिलाना हो, कंधों को हिलाना हो। शरीर को धीरे धीरे हिलाना शुरू करिए। Now just stop moving. हिलाना बंद कर दें। आप धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं। You may open your eyes slowly and gradually.
Scientifically speaking, a lot happens during meditation and sleep. During our 6 to 8 hours of sleep, the brain is flushed of toxic chemicals. If you have exercised well and given it proper nutrition, then muscle growth happens and fat loss happens. Our memories and experiences of the day are sorted out. So a good night's sleep will make you smarter, will make you younger, and it will make you healthier. A few things I would like you to do tonight when you go to sleep. First and foremost, switch off all your electronics, all your gadgets, half an hour before you go to sleep. Secondly, if you have done the meditation and breath workshop of the Art of Living, then practice Ujjayi breathing for 5 minutes. Or if you are an advanced meditation program graduate, add the Mudra pranayams to it. And third, whatever has happened during your day, good and bad, just offer it to that higher intelligence which is governing like a million things happening inside us or outside in the universe. And like a baby, unperturbed and relaxed, innocently you go to sleep. To explore more sleep meditations or Yog Nidra in Gurudev's voice, you can head over to the Art of Living app on Play Store or App Store. See you tomorrow for another meditation with Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time.